Ever wondered how to prepare traditional Christmas fish? The festive season is upon us, and what better way to celebrate than with a delicious home-cooked meal? Imagine a perfectly cooked fish, seasoned just right, and presented beautifully for your family's Christmas feast. This isn't just any fish dish, it's the traditional Christmas fish, a holiday staple that's sure to bring joy to your dining table. Intrigued yet? Well, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of preparing the perfect Christmas fish. For this recipe, you will need a large family-sized fish, such as salmon, basa, or whitefish. The fish is the star of the show, providing a hearty centerpiece for the meal. We're going to add a zesty kick with the juice of a sour lemon, which will help to brighten the flavors. Seasoning is key to any dish, so we'll be using salt and black pepper according to taste. The melted butter is going to give our fish a beautiful rich glaze and keep it moist during the cooking process. For a touch of freshness and color, we'll garnish with some fresh herbs like parsley or dill. And to serve, we'll have some lemon slices on the side, not just for the looks, but to squeeze over for those who want an extra tang. With these ingredients ready, we can now start the process of preparing our Christmas fish. The first step is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is preheating, let's get our fish ready for baking. This involves cleaning, seasoning, and wrapping the fish in aluminum foil. Start by cleaning your chosen fish thoroughly under cold water. We want to ensure that it's fresh and clean before we begin seasoning. Once the fish is cleaned, pat it dry gently with some kitchen paper. Now, let's move on to seasoning. Place a large piece of aluminum foil on your work surface and lay the fish on top of it. Rub the inside and outside of the fish with the juice of a sour lemon. The acidity of the lemon not only adds flavor, but also helps in breaking down the proteins in the fish, making it tender and juicy. Next, season the fish inside and out with salt and black pepper to taste. Don't be shy with your seasoning. Remember, this is a large fish, and we want every bite to be flavorful. Once you've seasoned the fish, smear a little melted butter all over it. The butter will help the fish to cook evenly, keep it moist, and give it a beautiful golden color. Now, let's wrap our fish. Close the aluminum foil around the fish and create a tight package. This will help to keep the moisture in and ensure that our fish cooks evenly. Place the wrapped fish onto a baking tray, and it's ready for the oven. Remember, the cooking time will depend on the size of the fish. As a general rule, allow 20 to 30 minutes of cooking time. You can check the fish's doneness by opening the packet and testing the fish meat with a fork. The flesh should be tender and flake easily. And now, our fish is ready to be baked. Place your fish in a baking tray and put it in the preheated oven. As the oven's warmth envelops the fish, the magic begins. The heat will gently cook the fish, transforming it from a raw delicacy into a mouth-watering centerpiece. Depending on the size of your fish, this process can take anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, your kitchen will be filled with the tantalizing aroma of baking fish. A scent that promises a delicious meal is on its way. As the time ticks away, you might find yourself wondering, is the fish done yet? To check, carefully open the foil package and test the fish's flesh with a fork. It should be tender and easily flake apart. Once the fish is fully cooked, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly. The waiting may be hard, but trust me, it's worth it. Now on to the final step, serving up this delightful dish. Before serving, open the aluminum foil packet and transfer the fish to a serving dish. Garnish your Christmas fish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an appealing festive touch. If you fancy a little extra tang, feel free to add lemon slices as an additional decoration. Pair this centerpiece with your favorite side dishes, such as spiced rice, grilled vegetables, or a fresh salad. And there you have it, a delicious traditional Christmas fish ready to be enjoyed by the whole family. Happy cooking and happy holidays.